You know, every oppressive system in the world, even in biblical terms, the old systems do know when they have reached a cul-de-sac. And they have two choices. They usually extend the use of violence to suppress people completely, or they recreate themselves. And more sophisticated oppressive systems do what South Africa did. Apartheid is bad for capitalism. Apartheid is bad for white privilege. Not allowing black people to vote is bad for white privilege. So give them a few things that mean nothing. That was an old system, capitalist and oppressive white privilege system recreating itself.
Yeah.
It means what it did, you know, I call it the toilet spray syndrome. The smell was there. It was just, there was a spray. And our political settlement was to make sure that white privilege comes with credibility. And of course, that's why all of us, there's been more inequality since then. And we are on the side clapping when we are going into the grave, because they recreated the system, removed things that delegitimized it, but it remained there. You still live where you live. Your mother still shares water with the donkeys. You'll never get out of that place. The mines are still owned by the De Beers and the Ruperts and everybody. We own nothing except a vote and hope for nothing.